Hello everyone. So when it comes to weddings, you all know that the backdrop, it's everything. It's where you say your vows. It's where you take your first photos as a married couple. It's the spot that your guests will see first and honestly. It's the memory you will have framed forever. That's why today I'm bringing you a massive, gorgeous collection of 100 wedding backdrop ideas. Yep, 100. A wedding backdrop isn't just decoration. It's the frame around one of the biggest moments of your life. It's the background of your I do. It's the beginning of your forever. Weddings are made even more magical with the right backdrop. Simple or grand, your backdrop tells your story without words. Here you can notice the details, the colors, the textures, the little touches that make a big difference. Some backdrops are timeless, classic. Others are fresh, bold, and full of personality. There's truly no limit when it's come to creativity. Remember, it's not just about the backdrop, it's about the love you are celebrating in front of it. I hope you found the one that makes your heart skip a beat. Small details like candles, drapes, and greenery makes a huge impact. Thanks so much for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wedding inspiration. Wishing you a beautiful journey ahead and a wedding day that's as magical as your love story. See you in the next one. Until then, stay inspired and keep dreaming.